What's up, guys? How are they? Nah, today Mother's Day. Today is the Mother's Day for America. You know, but it was a sad one for me now. Sad one. So someone just crashed my car now. I want them to one. Just crashed my one right now as they come out from church. You know, but I've got the cops to come and do the needful. So the cops is right here doing the needful. So the insurance got to fix my car. Insurance got to fix my car. This is crazy. 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 It's crazy. So I just brush, and this one will brush my car. Nothing done. Nothing to understand. Now this one does the impact. Does the impact. Does the impact. It's crazy. Insurance is going to fix my car. Insurance is going to fix my car now. So yes. Or them so why my brother? Or them so one the 9 person just can't crash. I they tell you, don't crash about them so one. America be this now. You understand? So if you crash person car, you don't move an inch. If you move an inch, a big better. Don't bash my car. Buy them so one. I have my dash cam. You see there, thank God say this my dash cam cost me almost $1,000 to fix. So everything is intact, it's safe. You know, so they're not going to deny anything because I have my evidence. So they cannot deny it. You understand? They cannot deny it. How you going to drive? How you going to drive? See now. It's not see where this white car there. This white car there right here. You see where this white car stop. Then me they beside this pickup. Now they are there beside this pickup. As this pickup now is trying to navigate this way. How am I there? This guy where they by the center. Rather than for him to see him, he said this guy they put it there because he's going this way. Why the other white car where they there was right there? You know, that is to say they go straight. This idiot now come from imagine say that white car now come they put head there without navigating. I think cause I say everybody you go straight or you go this way. And if you watch, there is a demarcation there where they show say if you are going this side, you maintain here. You see here, if you are going here, you cannot jump. You cannot jump from that other side, jump from this side. That makes no sense. You see, I see this one, see everybody. That is it. I don't understand this kind of bad Sunday. I don't understand. And today I'm Mother's Day for America. We go church finish, go enjoy ourselves finish. The next thing on my way coming back home, now somebody now just come crash my them to one. I don't understand. But nothing spoiled, Nah, insurance will fix my car. Because they will get me another car, fix my car. That one for sure. Or they will buy me another one. Anyone, whichever way. They will fix and wear or get me another one. That is it. That is just it, man. So, just imagine. Since for the past 5 years while I drive in America, I never get this kind of accident at all. The one where somebody tried to hit me one time, where I smoke America set out of court, you know, without involving insurance. That one now can't take advantage of me. That is the reason why this time, if you drive for here, person's crash your car is the reason why it's good to get dash cam. I spent almost $1,000 to install that dash cam with it, and they say so. $1,000, yes. Because you never can tell when bad thing will happen. You understand? So, and my dash cam day, you know, so my dash cam day intact. So, or they are not denying it, which I told them, say there's a dash cam here, where they record everything. You don't have to, this is what I'm saying, you don't go deny. Say it not be your fault. You understand? You cannot deny it's not be your fault. Because we have a dash cam. You know, you have a dash cam. So that is it. You have a dash cam right here. So that is just the sad news, and that is the sad part of it. Oh. But notwithstanding, we're in order. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? Yeah, so no, this we get too many crazy drivers here. That is the reason why we get accident car steady. You understand? And why would they get accident car steady? Why they get accident car steady? They tell me I call insurance, Why I call insurance? If I go call insurance without me invite the cops. I invite the cops. If I don't invite the cops, now I can't call insurance. Now insurance will ask me stupid questions. Why didn't you invite the cops? Why didn't you do this? Why didn't you do that? You understand? So, but here I have to invite the cops to come and do the needful. You get my point? To come and do the needful. If not to buy me brand new car, fine. Or if not to fix them as if say nothing happened, fine. You know, whichever way the insurance go do and fine, I go do them. You understand? I go do them. I'm going to fix my car or just take it. I might not even need it self. Sue them. Then I feel even need that and get me another car. Yes, of course. I might decide to test I don't need it. She get me another car. They'll carry the car, go sell, buy me another one. It's of two ways. Because now, yeah, that's just it. The insurance will pay for my car or pay for the damage. They will reach out to me. I got keys inside the car. Got keys inside the car. So guys, now I can show now. You know, yeah, so see my sweet them so one. The reason why the airbag no this thing no come out, they say no boss, because the impact was not that heavy. They said the impact they heavy. The airbag for the shooter, but everything they intact. So everything they intact. So guys, so you know, since they annoy me. They annoy me, but go past them. You understand? You know, see my sweet them so well. Some people, so you see, that is the reason why we get so many accident vehicles. Because some people, no get those things. I don't just understand. We get too many crazy drivers here. Too many crazy drivers. Now we get here. Too many crazy drivers. How you go want to navigate towards your right? You don't go check car where they by your side. Don't go check your right. You go just check it. You just in the time to say now in they distracted by the kids. What you concern me? I don't get kids inside my motor. I get kids inside my motor too now. That's all now. I get kids inside my motor. Who don't get kids inside motor? You understand? If they say I make a much serious now, they call 911 emergency. Now that one is different for what's past this one. You understand? Say no, that is it. But nothing spoil shall go there. As I can show now, so there's anything will happen, I'll give an update now. You know, but first we need to thank God say person no die. You get my point. Now church will come to the just say go rejoice with our mothers. Now it first can happen. And this will happen beside I don't almost reach house. I don't die for 5 years, I never get this kind of experience before. Since I don't die for US. You get my point. So that is it, but God pass them, sha. God pass them. Now what I want make the authority do their job. You understand? And so if I need a tow, they will get a tow. You understand? So now I go decide how it will be. Whether the insurance can be fit to the car or not. So but and then make it finish in the call, man know what's up. What's up, what will happen, what's going to happen? How do they fix my car for me? You understand? I want to know how do they fix my car for me. Guys, my car end down here. My end down here. It's not, but today I wanted to take, my wife wanted to take us out for Mother's Day. 9-3.
What's the lady name?
Yeah, okay, that's my wife.
Your wife?
Yeah.
What's your wife's name?
My wife's name is Osuji.
Can you spell it?
Okay, sure.
Put her name, her last name, same last name as yours.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then put her date of birth.
No, okay. I'm gonna have her do that. Guys, I wanna make my wife. Honey, I will put in your name, your date of birth, and everything. Your name, yeah, your name. No, your name. Boss, I got kids in the car. Do I have to add the names? I got kids in the car. Yes, for sure. Yeah, you're gonna add it because the trauma is kind of crazy, man. You know. I mean the trauma because the fear, you know, was kind of was crazy. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
How many kids in the car?
3.
Yeah.
And their age also?
Yeah. Okay.
What did they hit me for now?
So, guys, that's so now. Insurance go. Insurance don't go jail gbese. Insurance go jail gbese. Yes. That is just it. Hi God, guys. I saw you. Okay. I saw you. So guys, I'm gonna end it here. I want to make no all this kind of thing. You don't need to keep quiet. You understand? You need to keep quiet because you need to keep quiet because I might even tell someone over need the car self. Yes, now. Someone need the car again. Then they wait for 2025 or 2024. Yes, then. So guys, now be the team. But more don't thank God, say person no die. The end, and they go call me and say, "Come, you know what's up?" You get my point. So guys, I'm gonna end it here. I'm the sad day for today. I smoke I just been to notice. You understand? So maybe they give you whether they go fix the car or they go car. You know, give me now. We go buy me another brand new one again. So it's up to them. You understand? It's up to them. So that is just it. So guys, I'm gonna end it here, sure. You know, make I go no wait till the office I will talk. For those who are outside, you know, these are the things way beside the talk. We know that at the talk and steady say whenever if you as far as overseas is concerned, you understand. One, anytime this kind of things happen, if you drive, for those who don't get the experience, if you drive, if person screech your car, no move. Except you don't get paper. Because don't put on me before. The first my Sienna person hit me from the back. Because I fear to call the cops. I tell the guys okay, we'll settle out of from our pockets. You understand? So but at the end when I think I do the duty of favor. You know I have to come up for this scene without involving the cops. My brother, I know this what you know. This guy denied everything. I saw I use this car till I said the car. And this man always hit me now. I saw him want to say him wait there 5 minutes, you know, no move. I thought if you move, I go tell mama sit and run. They will come and arrest you. I know they don't get that for shit. They have to move nowhere. They have to wait when the cops come and do their job. No one hear this kind of stupid story. Yes, I go tell you, yes, of course. They'll come and go, come and ask, come and arrest you. I go, you hit person for you won't come up from the sea, the place. Even if yes, you don't have to move an inch. You understand? So that is just it. So I have a dash cam, everything I record everything. So if you are a gentleman, just behave gentle as a gentleman. Just have to wait when the cops come and do the needful. You understand? So that is just it. You know. Once again, this is Nabo Professor Tokandu. You understand? So that is just it. You understand? So guys, I'm gonna end it here. Don't wait for the cops. No waiting that they do.